Hi guys, so I want to talk to you about this book. It's called What Do You Do With an Idea? And for those of you that are parents, you probably know this book. I'm not a parent, but I love this book because it talks about how our ideas are like things. And in this case, it's a little egg with a little crown. And they have to be fed and cared for and nurtured and played with in order to become bigger things and bigger things yet. And everything about this book I think is perfect except for this page. Because on this page, after all of the love and attention that the little boy gives to his idea, the author says, and the author is Kobi Yamada, fabulous author of children's books, but he says, then one day something amazing happened. My idea changed right before my eyes. It spread its wings, took flight, and burst into the sky. And that's where I think we get it wrong. We have these big ideas and we nurture them and we play with them and we learn from them and we want to share them, and we don't. And we expect them to just go out in the world on their own and somehow to make it. And that just doesn't work. You have to not just communicate your big idea, you have to advocate for it. You have to be willing to stand up and use your voice, ask questions, use your tone of voice and your body language to make sure that your big idea gets everything that it needs. It also reminds me of that GE commercial where there is this poor little idea that's so cute and it's living in the streets and it's sort of ugly and it's homeless. And then finally someone at GE brings it into GE and they nurture it and play with it and give it attention. And then suddenly you see the idea with a beautiful rainbow coat standing on a stage advocating for itself. And that's where that commercial goes wrong, because your ideas won't advocate for yourself. Your ideas need you. So if you won't stand up and use your voice for yourself, do it for your big idea. If you won't ask questions and be curious and use your tone of voice and your body language to exert yourself for yourself, do it for your big idea. Because as this beautiful book and as that beautiful commercial show us, ideas are things. And if you don't give that idea what it needs, it will die. So if you want to learn how to advocate for your idea, to go beyond communicating and step into advocating, reach out to me and I will help you. We need to make sure that your big idea gets everything it needs. Thanks so much. Have a great day.